Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. This is the lecture number 9 of class 9th. In the previous lecture, we have learned the number system, different number system, decimal, binary, and hexadecimal number system. We recall them. Decimal number system has a base 10 and consists of digits 0 to 9. The next binary number system. Binary number system consists of two digits 0 and 1 and has a base 2. Hexadecimal number system consists of digits from 0 to 15 and has a base 16. Today we are going to learn about the number system conversion. The number system conversion. Conversion is very important because computer only understand the binary number system, and this binary number system is very difficult for the human being to understand and learn. So we need conversion. Today we first convert decimal to binary. You all familiar with decimal number system. Decimal number system has a base 10 and consists of 0 to 9 digits. I mean totally 10 digits. First, to convert the decimal number, we convert decimal number to binary. We divide the number by 2 and take quotient. Here quotient is 12 and remainder is 1. And we continue dividing the quotient by 2 until we get quotient 0. And last we write all the remainders in reverse order to obtain the binary value from bottom to top. To start, 12 twos are 24 and here number is 25. Now we get remainder here is 1. Next, 2 6 are 12, 2 6 are 12 and the remainder is 0. Next one is 2 3s are 6, remainder 0, 2 1s are 2, remainder 1 and 2 last 0. And now you can see the remainder first, second, third and fourth and fifth on. Now we get binary number from bottom to top, 1 1 0 0 and 1. This is the conversion of decimal to binary. Next example, same, by decimal number is 4 2 1 5, 2 2s are 4, 2 1s are 2 and 1 is less than 2, so we place 0 here. And next one is 2 7s are 14, we get remainder 1. Next 2 1s are 2, again 1 is less than 2, so we put 0 here. And 2 5s are 10, 2 3s are 6, we get remainder 1. And then again 2 2s are 4, 2 6 are 12 and again 2 3s are 6, we get remainder 0. And next, and you continue your dividing until we get a quotient 0 and we get the binary number from bottom to top. And in the binary number, the right side of the binary number is called MSB and the left side of the digit of the binary number is called LSB. Here is the question for practice. You can practice this question at home so you can easily understand the conversion decimal to binary. Next conversion is binary to decimal. Here binary number is 1010, base to base, and this base identify this belong to binary number. The first row represent values, place values, second row binary number, and the third row conversion, and the last decimal number. First row represent place value with base 2, we get weight 2 raised to power 0, 1, 2 raised to power 1, 2 raised to power 2 and 2 raised to power 3. Here is the base 2 because we convert binary to decimal number. 2 raised to power. The second row represent binary number 1010 start from the right side, and the last one conversion multiply binary number multiply with weight. 2 raised to power 0 multiply 0, 2 raised to power multiply 1, 2 raised to power 2 multiply 0, and last one is 2 raised to power 3 multiply 1. Now we get the decimal number. 2 raised to power 0 is equal to 1, 1 multiply 0 is equal to 0, 2 raised to power 1, 1, 2 raised to power 1 is equal to 2 multiply 1, and 2 raised to power 2, 4, and 4 multiply 0, 0, 2 raised to power 3 is equal to 8, 8 multiply 1, we get 8. Now add all the result, we get decimal number 10. The next example is binary to decimal. First column binary number, second column weight with bit 2 and equal, and then again binary number, and we get the 1, 2, 4, 8, 16, 32 and 64 and 128 with place value multiply with their base. 2 raised to power 0 is equal to 1. 2 raised to power 1 is equal to 2 raised to power 1 is equal to 2. 2 raised to power 2 is equal to 4. We can get directly 1, double 1 2, double 2 4, double 4 8, and double 8 16, double 16 32, and double 32 64, and double 64 we get 128. Now multiply all these values with the binary number 1 1 1, 0 multiply 2 0, 0 multiply 4 4, 0, 1 multiply 8 8, 1 multiply 16 16, 0 multiply 32 0, 1 multiply 64 64, 1 multiply 128, we get 128. Now add all these numbers and we get binary to decimal number. You can convert directly. First write 1 1 double, 2 2 double, 4 4 double, 8 8 double, 16 16 double, 32 32 double, 64, and 64 double 128. Now write binary number 1 1 0 1 1 0 0 1. Now 1 multiply 1 1, 2 multiply 1 2, 4 multiply 0 0, 8 multiply 1 8, 16 multiply 1 16, 0 multiply 32 0, 64 multiply 0 0, and 128 multiply 1 128. So add up all these values, we get 155. Here is the questions for practice. You can practice this question at home, and this is the lecture number 9. Thank you.